My name is Eric Muchler. I'm a project engineer here at Solid Concepts, Austin, Texas. It is the location where we hold our federal firearms license. And we have just produced our first 1911 pistol via DMLS. The slide, the frame, and many of the internal components were made out of stainless steel 17.4 DMLS product. A couple of the items were made out of Inconel 625, such as the mainspring and the beaver tail and the hammer, and we did SLS on the grips.
When we decided to go ahead and make this gun, we weren't trying to figure out a cheaper, easier, better way to make a gun. That wasn't the point at all. What we were trying to do was dispel the commonly held notion that DMLS parts are not strong enough or accurate enough for real-world applications.
She's hot. Three, two, one. Three, two, one. Looks like it went over the berm. First 1911. It's all DMLS except for the springs. So we're gonna try 3 rounds, 45 Winchester white box.
See that one landed on my shoulder and stayed there till my third shot?
No, I was watching the